contaminated cooling system. Who wants that? Metal, rubber, and plastic damage is common if you use poor quality coolant.
Sure, you could see some damage, but what happens under the surface? That can become a problem.
Volkswagen coolant comes in concentration form, usually 2 different colors. Make sure you use the same color each time you top up.
So why do you need the right coolant?
Optimum engine running temperature.
Reduced risk of overheating.
Reduce risk of cooling system damage.
Rust and corrosion prevention.
Lubrication.
Protection against freezing.
A longer engine life. Ask the experts at your nearest Volkswagen dealership to check your coolant pH using one of these.
A refractometer thingy. They'll recommend a coolant flush if needed. Stay in the game with our car care tips. Visit vw.co.za for more.